Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, April 14th, and I'm going to be analyzing the USOIL WTI, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. But first, take a look at my new Forex trading course, available to all Gold Patreon members. The link for that can be found up here in the corner. So on US oil, I still think this move down is most likely a wave A. It kind of looks like to me that it's trying to finish the A and go up to make most likely an A, B, C, or B, which I think is going to go up to one of these two Fibonacci levels. And most likely once that's complete, it will go down and make a wave C. And this should be a correction to this whole move up, and eventually I think it will end up continuing the uptrend. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame is where you can actually start to see the structure of this move down. Like I said, it kind of looks like a trend, most likely a wave A. I think this move up is going to be an A, and then it's going to go down, make a corrective wave B, and probably back up to make a C. Like I was saying, probably one of these two Fibonacci's is the most likely place for the N, an A, B, C of wave B before it actually heads back down to make that bigger wave C. So let's keep all that in mind and head down to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we have a break of structure to the upside, which is a really good sign that this may be over. It's definitely very, very impulsive up, and so far there's definitely no reason to think this is over. No break of structure to the downside tells me that I'm definitely still looking for longs on shorter time frames, and I think it's going to go up and take out this high to make an uptrend for the wave A. So let's keep going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we are in a pullback right now, so I got my Fibonacci measuring the last wave up, and I definitely am looking for a bounce off one of these Fibonacci levels and a pulse to move up, especially if it makes a break of structure. That's exactly what I'm looking for from an next entry to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. Higher time frames tell me that we possibly have a turn up. Shorter time frames, I'm just continuing to look for any long opportunities at the end of ABC corrections, especially on the shorter time frames. So let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, I mean, it kind of looks like a trend 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but it is bouncing off a fib level. If it goes up and takes out structure, there's a good possibility that is the end of a correction and that it is just going to keep on trending up. Like I said, it kind of looks like on the longer time frames the trend turned up, so on these shorter time frames, I'm just going to continue to look for long entries. I would prefer to see like a three-way pattern, like an A, B, and then C to go long, but there's always a possibility that this could just keep on going up like that, continuing the uptrend that we have on the longer time frames, like the daily 4 hour time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.